Hey everyone, I'm Alex from the team at AirOps, and I'm so excited to show you our new free tool, Data Sidekick. Whether you're a SQL novice or a seasoned data pro, we can help make your workflows as much as 10 times faster using the power of AI. Data Sidekick gives you time back whenever you use any of our powerful recipes via our web app or handy Chrome extension. Popular recipes include SQL Fixer, which explains and repairs tricky errors in SQL statements; SQL Writer, which allows you to draft and modify SQL statements simply using natural language; SQL Optimizer, which explains the steps you can take to improve the performance of expensive or slow queries; SQL Explainer, which details what operations your queries are performing, a great way to learn; and even helping you speed through everyone's favorite task, writing table documentation. We started AirOps after over a decade at high growth companies where limited access to quality data frequently held us back. We're building a platform that gives everyone at work superpowers with their data, and Sidekick is just the start. Sign up for free and give Sidekick a try at airops.com. We'll see you there.